everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making something special. What is the season now? It's mango, right? So we are making mango ice cream, but you can I call it as kulfi also. Yes, because if you put that in a kulfi mold, it will become kulfi, or if you just put that in a container and scoop it out, it will be ice cream. That will be very delicious, and even that doesn't have milk, sugar, no milk, no jaggery also, because mangoes are so sweet. Right, it need not to be added like any jaggery also, but we are adding here little dates also. Okay, come, let's jump in. What are the ingredients it requires? You can see it now. We have taken here 1.5 cup of frozen mangoes. You can keep it for like 2 hours or 2 to 3 hours. This is one, and then this is a cashews. I have soaked it for 3 to 4 hours, or overnight also fine, or else you can just boil it in a hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes, then it will be ready. And dates. So dates, I have removed the seeds. You can take like 4 to 5 dates according to your sweet. If you the mangoes are so sweet, this is enough, or else you can just remove to only you can add 2 dates. You have to check with the mango sweetness. If you want more, you can add more also. Okay, I have taken here vanilla powder. So this is a pure vanilla powder. Please take a pure one. Don't take essence and all. I know it's costly, but it's worth it. Why you want to put another unhealthy items in your body, right? So once in a while you buy and you can have this. So vanilla powder is there, and I have taken even cardamom powder also, half teaspoon. Okay, this vanilla is like quarter teaspoon, and cardamom powder is half teaspoon. And I have taken here 1 cup thick milk. Okay, it's a coconut milk. Just you have to take 1 cup of coconut, 1 cup of water. Just grind it. So squeeze it. So you get 1 cup of milk. That's it. Those are the ingredients. Just we have to grind it. So now let's add these ingredients to the blender. So what happens, this dates, right, it won't grind properly when we add these soft things and all. So let's grind this first, right? So we have to use little brain also. Let's grind this without adding anything, then we will add other ingredients. Okay, now I have grinded this. Can you see it here? How much is possible, that much you grind. Okay, and I have taken big jar. You can go for like a medium size one. Okay, then let's add the other ingredients. Okay, I didn't say the measurement, right? See this, I have taken half cup and 1.5 cup of mango. Let's add this cashews. I have added cashews. Now add this mango. It's a frozen mango, 1.5 cup. And dates we have already added. Let's add cardamom powder. Added cardamom powder, right? Half teaspoon, and I'm adding quarter teaspoon of vanilla powder. Then milk we have to add. This also I'm going to add little and then grind, and again you add half of the cup later. So let's add half. Now half cup I have added milk, and then we will grind, and then again we will add this and we will grind again. Now you can see. Can you see? Okay, now again remaining half cup we can add, and we will grind it to smooth paste. How much is possible, that much smooth you make. Okay, that will be very tasty when you make more smoother. So it's done. Wow, so colorful, you know, and it's so delicious, creamy. You can see it. Let's pour this in any jar. So, wow, isn't it beautiful? Oh my god, my mouth is watering and I'm not able to resist it. It's like I want to eat now itself. Like I can eat. I have some more in the jar, so I can eat this now, and I can keep this in a freezer. So about 6 to 7 hours or overnight. Okay, you can keep this. You just close it and keep it. It's ready, done. Ice cream, mango ice cream. And if you want to make a kulfi, just pour that in a kulfi mold and freeze it and then remove it. And what you can do is add a pistachio powder or something on top of it. Just have it. That is also kulfi also. It will be tasty. Same thing, but you can call it as kulfi or ice cream. But wow, mango ice cream, it's very delicious. You should try this. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video. Until then, namaste. Take care.